there's more. Dahil gusto nating mapalakas at mas mapalawak pa ang ating community of earners dito sa SWC, the company generated an extra opportunity for you to earn more while helping others become part of us. Sa opportunity na ito ay marami ng buhay ang napaunlad at patuloy pang napapaunlad. As an additional benefit, once na SWC dealer ka ay qualified ka na rin na ma-maximize ang referral program system ng company na maaaring magbukas sa iyo ng panibagong pinto patungo sa mas malaki pang income. With our referral program system, pwede kang kumita sa pagpopromote ng iyong negosyo. Don't worry, dahil we have members na tutulong sa iyo and you will also have an access sa ating mga online business presentation gaya nito pinapanood mo. Gamit ang tool na ito, kahit malayo ka or busy ka, magagawa mong i-promote at i-explain ang business. Narito ang rewards or bonuses natin for our referral program. First is our direct referral bonus. Dito ay babayaran ka ng SWC ng 2,000 pesos commission sa bawat taong marirefer mo na mag-a-avail ng Spartan's business package. So kung meron kang isang successful referral, meron kang 2,000. Kung dalawa, that's 4,000. Kung 10, that's 20,000. Kung 100, that's 200,000. You can refer as many as you want and as many as you can. Next is indirect referral bonus. Earn 88 pesos overriding commission up to 8 levels sa bawat successful referrals ng mga referrals mo. We also have 6 match bonus. Earn additional 2,000 pesos matching bonus incentive for every pair under your organization. With an automatic point accumulation for lifetime bonuses for every 5th pair. With this, you will have the chance to get gift certificates that can be used for product redemption. So Sodexo. Then you'll earn points rin for local travel, international travel. And last but definitely not the least, dito sa SWC, you now have the chance to own your dream car or house and lot dahil kasama rin yan sa lifestyle bonuses na pwede mong ma-earn. Grabe talaga dito sa Spartans, no? For our sales match bonus, we have a safety net at a maximum of 40 pairs per day. Ang masarap niyan, may opportunity ka to earn 80,000 a day or 2.4 million a month. And because Spartans wants to be your helping hand while being with us, patuloy ang company sa pag-formulate ang profitable base habang ginagamit ninyo ang services natin, even at the comfort of your own home. Well, in fact, alam mo ba na even sa paggamit ng mga referrals mo ng services ay may income ka pa rin? This is what we call residual income. Earn 25 pesos for every international flight bookings of people under your organization. At 10 pesos naman for every booking nila of domestic flights. You will also earn 25 centavos sa bawat bills payment and remittance transactions ng referrals mo. 1 to 12 pesos naman for every transaction ng ating Lifeline. Lahat ng income na ito ay papasok sa account mo at pwede mo ring magamit na pondo sa S-Wallet mo for future transactions. O diba? Punong-puno ng kitaan? This is how Spartans Worldwide Corporation plans to build a community of millionaires it has promised. So ano pang hinihintay mo? Simulan na natin. Madali lang ang pag-start. As for registration form sa taong nagpanood ng video na ito sa iyo, then you can proceed now with the payment. You can pay the dealership fee over the counter sa mismong office ng Spartans or you can send it directly sa bank account ng Spartans Worldwide Corporation. Join now and be part of our growing Spartans family.